up one of the very interesting topics. Kiran was sharing something called success. So we all want to be successful. So the main thing for us is we need to work on our inner self. So I'm talking about this book by Ruben Gonzalez called in a Game of Success. So this book is he's a sports person. So Ruben Gonzalez is a sports person, and he's one of the very few Olympians in the luge field. So luge is a game. So if anybody is interested to know more about this game, you should read Courage to Succeed. I connected a lot to this book, like what Supra was sharing, because I am a sports person by nature, so I love games. So I was able to connect a lot to Ruben. So that's why I got an interest to read this book. So he just shares about a couple of success principles. I'll share like 5 to 6 points, and I'll then share a small interesting story after that. So one of the points he shares is refusing to give up on our dreams. Dreams was something that I spoke last week. So anything that really keeps us going is a strong dream. So some obstacle comes up, like Karthik was sharing. He had leadership issues in the team. He did not stop there. He still continuously tried to be there for 2-3 years, then found out a solution. So that was his dream. So he did not refuse to give up on what he was dreaming of. And continuing to that, he was consistent and persistent, because I've seen him for a while. So I know what consistency he maintains in anything that he wants to do or achieve. So that's one of the most important things for any successful person. So yes, we all have the special powers to unlock and attract whatever we want in life. It's just a skill. Our positive thoughts and our open-mindedness to learn is something that will lead us to success. And most importantly, our habits and income of the people whom we are around with. So our habits would be something like book reading, a book club. So that will also impact our success levels, and also the income level of people. So if we see probably Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, obviously they have great discussions. So their level of income is much larger. So their positive mindset and keeping things going. At Warren Buffett at this age, he has done a lot. So he's being in one of the top most richest people. So yes, so those people will also impact our success surroundings. And a small story is, I got to read about someone called Krishna Patel. So she's an Indian girl, a 19-year-old who who was a passionate mountaineer. So any mountaineer, we all know that they want to get onto the Mount Everest, top of the Mount Everest, but it's one of the most difficult tasks. So her co-mountaineers kept telling her, at this age, why do you have to, go? You can build up your stamina and then come. But all that did not distract her. So she went on the top, and the media, as always, went up to her family and asked her, why are you letting her do it at this small age? She's still a teenager. So her mom said that I'd rather lose my daughter while doing an accomplishment rather than just losing her in an accident, or just living her life. So successfully she finished the mission. She came down, and our media again went up to her, like, why did you want to do it? What made you to do this? And what mattered? What difference did you see? So she said that while I was at the top of the Mount Everest, it did not matter if I was a 19-year-old, if I was an Indian, if I was a girl, but all that mattered was my surroundings was great. So they really helped me succeed and get there on the top. And while we walked back, she said that, thank you for being. So we really need to thank people who let us even give us the smallest point to succeed. Like book club, definitely, I think book reading is something that is totally out of picture for so many people like us. So if we definitely catch along with people of the person who's referred here, it's one of your biggest step to success. So that's the story I wanted to share. So this girl, Krishna Patel, she imagined success to be a realistic thing and not just imagined. And she had a dream. She believed in herself, and with a massive action and with an attitude to willing to do whatever it takes. And she really took up the step to go back and go up to the Mount Everest, come back and stay successful. And to be frank, she's the only 19-year-old Indian girl who's got into the Mount Everest. And I think we all have an opportunity to pursue our dreams and really plan the mind game that is important to succeed. So this book, I think I've summarized a little more than what I wanted to share. And yes, thank you.
Great sharing. Wonderful, Sahana. It was great sharing. I think